Hello, and welcome to the iForgeAhead forum. In a previous tutorial, we looked at how to find the iForgeAhead forum, how to register, and how to log in, as well as how the forum is organized and how to find different topics. In this tutorial, we're going to look at how to quickly find new information that's been posted to the forum so you can keep up to date on what's going on, as well as how to add your own information to the forum, how to post a question, how to reply or comment on something someone else has posted. So let's get started. I'm here on the main screen of iForgeAhead, and I'm going to click Login to get started. Now, if you've already logged in once and selected to stay logged in, you won't have to do this step. But I'm going to go ahead and enter my username and my password and click Login. And now I'm back to the main board index after I log in. When you first come into the forums each time, a quick way to learn about new information that's been posted in the forums is to look at this column on the very far left. You'll notice these symbols out here, and that some are white and some are red. The ones with the red icon in the middle indicate that that has new information that you specifically have not read or seen. So that's a great way to see what's new since the last time that you got into the forums. If you click on one of these topics with the red icon, you'll see the list of topics, and again out to the left will be a red icon next to anything specific that you haven't read. Once you click into this specific topic and look it over, that red icon is going to go away. So when you return to the board index this time and now in the future, you'll notice that that's no longer there. It was right here previously. So that's a great way to quickly get up to speed on new information that's been added to the forum. Now we want to go into how you can contribute and add your information to the forum. One thing you might want to do as you're reading something that someone else has posted is you might want to reply or add your input that will help us improve the ForgeAhead system. I'll go ahead and go into a topic right here. I'll go into suggestions. And we have a number of suggestions listed here. And again, you'll notice the red icon next to one that I haven't read yet. But I'm going to go ahead and go into this one that says search by phone so I can see what someone said about that. Here we can read their message, and that someone is suggesting that in addition to the filtering processes we have right now for finding a contact, we also add the feature to be able to search by phone number. If you want to comment on this, you can use the buttons that are always at the top and the very bottom of the discussion thread that you're viewing. So I'm going to go ahead and click Post Reply. And this is the screen where you can add your own content to the forum. It's going to keep track that you're in the search by phone topic, and this is a reply to it. And in this large white box in the center is where you'll just put your comments. And I'll just put something simple here so you can get the idea. I really would like to be able to search by phone number, or to be able to find someone by phone number. And you can put as much text obviously in here as you want, but once you're finished, you'll scroll down to the bottom of this work area, and you want to focus on these buttons right here at the bottom. You can cancel if you don't really want to post this, and you will lose the information that you entered in there. You can save it if you're not ready to post it now, but may want to come back to it later. The two that you'll use most frequently, though, are preview and submit. If you're sure it's exactly how you'd like to post it, you can go ahead and click submit, and that will add it to the conversation, and other people will be able to view it in the forum. If you're not sure, you can click preview, and this refreshes the screen, and the very top section with the red bar shows the content of what you typed and how it will look. Below that is another red bar that has the working area where you can edit the information. So if you're not sure that this is what you want and you want to add something else, you can change it here. Once you have the content how you like it, you'll just click the submit button. That will tell you that it's been posted successfully, and it will quickly take you back to where you were before. And now, instead of just this initial post from someone else, you can also see that your post is right here, and other people will be able to read it and possibly reply or comment on it as well. So that's how to reply to an existing conversation within the forum. The next thing that I'd like to show you is how to start your own conversation. I'm going to go back to the board index, and again we'll use this very handy gray bar at the top of every page that has board index on the far left. If we click that, we're always back to the main page. So remember, what we just did was commented on something that someone else had placed into the suggestions feature. But let's say you have something new and no one else has commented on it, and you just need to add it to the forum so that someone will provide you the answer that you're looking for. I'm going to go ahead and go into questions at this point, and currently there are no topics. If there were other posts for questions, you would see them here, and whether there are or not, you can still add your own new post. We're going to do that by clicking the new topic button. Again, these buttons appear at the top and the bottom of each topic list, and I'll click new topic, and this screen looks just exactly like the one we were in for reply. The only difference is that there's nothing here in the subject line, and I do want to encourage you to put a descriptive subject in this text field. The reason is this is what other people are going to see when they're looking at a list of what's in that category. So the more descriptive you can be, the better it is. So I'm going to say that I have a question. Let's say that I have my list of cities in a drop-down when I'm adding new contacts, and I had added a city and it was not spelled correctly, and I want to know how to fix it. So I'm going to put a descriptive title in the subject line here. I'll just say how to fix a misspelled city. And that's what's going to appear in the topic list under questions. So when someone else comes in and looks at the questions forum, they will see this subject, and if they want to learn more about it, they'll click on that, and then they'll see your larger description here. So I'll just quickly type a description of the issue. I have a city in my drop-down list that is spelled wrong. How can I fix it? And that's basically all you need to say there. And again, you could preview it if you want to make sure how it's going to look. But this is pretty simple. We'll go ahead and click Submit. And it says it's been posted successfully. And now it's going to return us to this forum and show you the content. Now, the next time anyone else signs into the board, they will see this as new content, and they'll be able to read it and comment back to you. So you'll want to come back here and check to see for your answer or suggestions in this part. And that's a basic overview of how to reply or how to start a new topic within the forums. Again, always go back to this navigation gray bar at the top. We're under Questions, which is part of the IFA testbed category. We can go to either of those subcategories, or we can go right back to the board index, which is our main page. Thank you so much.